Hi Jhelfriends, welcome back to my channel. Before I start filming or before I start doing my what's inside my bag video for the year 2021 fall edition, I would like to apologize for being MIA. Even though I want to say that sanay na kayo na para akong palitaw na lulubog lilitaw, I think I still owe you an explanation, and still the same reason. Of course, I get busy with life, with my personal work or yung trabaho ko talaga, and yeah, busy lang and hindi inspired. I know, my last video, the last video that I uploaded was 3 months ago, and that was my wallet collection, and after that I just lost it. I mean, wala akong maisip, and I can't find the time to film, and every time na nasa bahay ako, I'm just so tired and I just want to rest, sleep, and just lay on my bed. So now I have time today. I thought, why not film a what's inside my bag video, because I think the last one that I did was last year, and that was 10 months ago, and you all know me that I love doing this OG video here on YouTube. I love snooping what's inside other women's or other ladies' purses. So yeah, so let's start by introducing this bag to you. I purchased this bag pre-owned. Alam niyo yung mga nagle-live sell sa Korea ng mga Pinay? I got this bag from one of them, and I purchased it kasi kahit na vintage na yung kanyang itsura, still the leather quality, guys, Mulberry talaga, is super nice, especially the leather. And kapag kabukas ko nito, you'll understand why I purchased this bag. I purchased this bag kahit na ganyan na yung leather niya, pero kasi yung touch niya, iba talaga yung leather compare sa canvas. For me, you get your money's worth when you buy leather bags than canvas bags. But still, gusto ko pa din ng canvas. But ngayon, dahil fall, of course, I want something brownish or fallish yung color, kaya I opted for this bag. I'm using my Celine Nano, the black one. That can be used as a fall bag as well, but I thought I've been wearing neutrals because it's fall, so yeah, I thought na mas babagay yung mga damit ko na sinusuot lately with this bag. So let's open this bag. Ayan, marami na siyang scratches. So when I purchased this, ganyan na siya talaga. And it's a vintage bag. So, talagang marami na siyang scratches. Ayan. And may mga flaws na talaga. Ang dami na. But the leather quality is still perfect. I mean, I can still use this bag for a long time. Sobrang dami pang years na magagamit ko to. And I don't mind. Battle flaws niya yung mga yan. And halos hindi ko siya masara dahil alam niyo naman, ang ate nyo lagi na lang puno. So, ganyan siya kapag nakasara. And that's the Mulberry logo right there. So, the name of this bag is Mulberry Base Water Satchel. The size is small. I believe this is the cookie collection of Mulberry. Cookie collection kasi yung ganyang cut niya. Ayan, and this is in pebbled leather and in the color brown. This bag do have a turn lock closure, as you can see right here. To-turn mo lang yan siyang ganyan, and then it opens up. And ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, look at that, diba? Yung loob, sobrang ang ganda-ganda niya. If you can feel it, if you can touch this bag, you'll understand why I purchased this, kahit na medyo madami na siyang flaws. But look, the craftsmanship of this bag, I don't mind na ganyan na yung hardware. I really don't mind. Yung hardware niya pala is light gold, brass. I don't know if this is brass. I'm just talking. Pero ayan, tingnan nyo, sobrang ganda ng leather niya. And I just put my scarf on top. This is my Burberry scarf para lang naka-cover at least yung mga gamit. And also, it's been raining, a little chilly here in California lately, kaya I'm carrying a scarf in case I need it. I have it here. So, ayan yung loob. I don't use bag organizer at all, and you guys know that. So, here, ayan yung itsura ng loob niya. Let's start by taking one thing at a time. I have this sore throat and cough lozenges because 3 days ago, I'm feeling a little under the weather. So, I always keep Cepacol. Ewan ko kung tamang pronunciation ko. With me, just, you know, in case. And this helps me a lot, especially when I had the flu years ago. This has been a good, very handy to have for sore throat. And then I have a bag of masks in here. I have my KN95s and also my Lululemons. I love the Lululemon mask. So comfortable and malaki kasi yung face ko and they just fit my face. As in, cover talaga nila yung kailangan i-cover sa pagmumukha ko. That's why I super love Lululemon. Although, I always need to alter yung kanyang garter. Kasi ito, yung originally, yung Lululemon na mask, talagang parang naka-wrap around siya sa ulo mo. So, what I do is I customize it para lang dito lang siya sa ears ko. And it's so comfy. And my KN95, I always keep them handy too because when you go to the hospitals here in California, especially Valley Center, they don't allow you to enter the hospital wearing wearing yung mga ganito cloth na mask. You really need surgical mask or this kind of mask. So ayan, that's why I carry them both. And then next, I have a hair clamp. Yung Xoxo. Ayan. Every time ladies see my Xoxo, sobrang nagugustuhan nila and cute na cute sila din sa Xoxo na to. I got this from Ross. I think I got this for around $4 something, less than $5. Ayan. And super cute niya, lalo na kapag nasa buhok. I purchased this because I thought this will look nice, especially when I'm wearing my royal blue na scrubs. And yeah, super nice, right? And then I have my chunky wallet. Ayan. Actually, gusto ko siyang palitan nito, kaya to nandito sa bag ko, itong dalawang wallet na to, yung aking Michael Kors, kasi I thought this is perfect for this bag. But then, small wallet lang kasi siya. So, ganyan lang siya. Ayan. Kaya, kinuha ko din yung aking Saint Laurent na card holder na 5 fragments para in case hindi magkasya yung mga cards or mga things ko dito. From this wallet, I have a backup. But then, every time I open this, and nakikita ko na tingnan nyo yung aking vaccination record card. As in talagang perfect siya dito sa harap and very convenient kasi na dala-dala ko siya lagi and hindi siya nalulukot. Safe na safe siya dyan. So I was thinking maybe okay lang, i-keep ko na to. Kasya naman lahat sa bag ko. So okay na siguro muna na ito yung wallet na gamitin ko. Ayan. So pwede ko din ilagay dito yung vaccination card. Ayan. So that's my wallet. That's the wallet that I'm currently using. And I have my, of course, lagi nyo nang nakikita to, my 6-ring key holder. And I know, na lagi ko minimension na hindi ako nagde-drive, but I have this. Meron kasing kwento to, and ikukwento ko na lang sa inyo later, not now, kasi ayoko masyado maging mahaba tong video na to. So yeah, ang aking key holder. Ayan, na I have my tile in case na ewan ko kung gumagana pa. So ayan lang, my 6-ring key holder from LV. And I have another pouch here, nakakanakaw ko lang sa aking roommate. Oh my gosh, Tita H ko, mapanood mo to. Nineno ko yung benefit na. Oh my gosh. Yeah, kasi gamit-gamit ko para dun sa camera ko yung isang pink ko na ganito. Eh, nagkakalikot ako dun sa drawer ni Tita Helen. Tapos, ayan, naghahanap kasi ako ng cotton rounds sa drawer ni H, no, aking roommate. And I saw this, sabi ko, hindi ginamit ni Tita H. I know it's bad, guys, don't do that. I will ask her once she's home. So, ayan, dito naman, catch-all bag ko to. This is my catch-all pouch. So, ayan, lumalabas na. So, this is my Gucci Flora Gorgeous Gardenia na rollerball perfume that I just recently purchased, and I love the scent. Although hindi siya pang fall or pang winter, this perfume is another summer perfume. Kung ako yung tatanungin, if you're gonna ask me, this is a summer perfume. Kasi very light and fresh lang siya. I've been using the Marc Jacobs Daisy as my fall or winter perfume. Ayan, kaya nandito lang siya and super liit. It fits inside, I mean, it fits anywhere. So, yeah. Ayan. Super cute, right? Ayan, no? Cute, cute. And then, I have Mint. That's my favorite mint. And I have the Chanel mirror. Ito yung dual mirror. Yung isa magnified and yung isa regular. Yung isa, the other side, do have filter. Charot! Madaming bibili kapag may filter tong no, it's just magnification mirror on one side, and then the other mirror is just a regular mirror. And then I have 3 more lipsticks and it's empty. Ayan, empty na. Tita H, ang dumi ng pouch mo, ah. So here I have one MAC, the You Wouldn't Get It lipstick. I love this color. This is a perfect fall or winter shade, fall shade. And I have my YSL lipstick in the shade I don't know, hindi ko alam, and my KJM Chick and Lip Tint in the shade Girl Talk. And ayan na itsura ng bag. Ito na lang yung natitira. I think I don't have anything inside this pocket. Yeah, empty siya. I just have my AirPods Pro. Ayan. With the pig's lanyard. I won't recommend this Heyday case for the AirPods kasi look, ayan o, loose na siya. Ang ganda sana ng color. I love the color, but it's annoying. And this is the brand. Just carrying it like that kasi lagi ko siyang nawawala. Last time I was crazy looking for the other pair. I am so looking forward to buy the new AirPods. I want to get that for my birthday. Ito, nawala to, and I was looking all over for this one, and then finally nasa loob lang pala siya nung backpack ko, nung work bag ko. So there you go, guys. Yun na yung laman ng aking bag. Now it's empty. And let me show you the details of this bag. That's why I'm in love with this bag. Look at that. Look at the quality of the interior. Is this suede? Is this gamusa? I really can't tell. I'm not a pro when it comes to that. But there. And then, nandito yung kanyang, ayan, meron siyang something na code dyan. And also, there's a tag here that says Made in England. Ayan, Made in England nakalagay. I hope it focus or you can see. Ayan, yan yung black. So, ayun guys. That's the bag details. If you want to see yung kanyang hardware, very hefty quality. Kung quality, it's really nice. Ayan. and the trimmings are all still intact. Wala akong, meron siyang mga ganyan na crack, but still they're good. Walang naalis. Look at that trimming, guys. The quality of this bag is undeniably good. So that's it for my what's inside my bag fall edition year 2021, guys. Thank you so much for still staying with me kahit na lagi akong MIA. I'm really sorry. I don't want to say I'll try my best to film more videos, but I promise to film whenever I have time, whenever I can for you guys. Thank you so much and see you on my next vlog. Bye!